Guys, so the first thing what you need to do here is to open up Steam, look for CS2, right click on it, go to properties, then you need to go to install files, browse, and then here you need to go to games, then bin, then Win64, look for CS2 exe. If you don't see exe, press view and then show and make sure this option is selected, right click on it, show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure run this program as administrator is off, and then launch the game, look if the problem persists. Another fix, again, right click on CS2, properties, install files, browse, then you need to go to game, delete bin folder, make sure the game is not running, and after you delete the bin folder, you can close this, then go to install files and then verify integrity of the game files, wait until it's done, launch the game, look if the problem persists. But after you apply all these changes here, you should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.